Happy Easter, Emrie. It's Nana here. Grandpa and I can't be with you this year for Easter, and I know you got this book. There's a bird on your head in your Easter basket. And since I can't be there to read it to you, I thought I would be the first one to read it, however, kind of virtually. So let's get started. I want you to take a close look at this first 2 pages because something's about to happen. There's no words, but maybe you can figure out what's going to be the problem in the story. Here we go. Piggy, is something on my head? Yes. There's a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head. Oh! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are 2 birds on your head. What are 2 birds doing on my head? They're in love. The birds on my head are in love. They're lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? They are making a nest. 2 birds are making a nest on my head. Why would 2 birds make a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? One, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds in a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else! Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them. Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. There are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You are welcome. I hope you can see where those baby birds are now, and the nest has been moved. They're now on Piggy's head. I hope you enjoyed this book. If you did, there are lots of books about Elephant and Piggy. Have a great Easter, and we will see you soon. We love you. Bye.